Oh wow, that was perfect timing. I hit stream and I went to go take care of some stuff. All right. I think my music's a little down just a smidge. Let's flip over to this guy. Oh, I never. I wasn't prepared. All right. Pause you. That guy. All right. So we got all our changes pulled. Let's open up Godot. Hopefully the fan isn't too loud. It's actually been really nice here temperature wise. And then it just suddenly got like really hot. Also, what I want to do is that's not what I want. I don't want the Botrix thing to be there, but I guess it's gonna be there. Okay. So we've done some work. We did some work off stream over the weekend, and I still feel like the music's a little loud. All right. So now I think we left off last week with the barrel's not attached to the gun. I got some goofiness going on because I like called the initial object magazines, but then I did a barrel and it was a whole thing, and we'll fix it. We'll roll with it. But for the time being, so I have a I got the barrel missing. And if I go over here, and this is just placeholder text, I can interact with this thing. Menu pops up, and if I click this guy, it adds a barrel to the gun, which is pretty neat. The thing is if I save, I don't think I got that far this weekend. Actually, you know, I think I'm gonna change music. I'm gonna do the Diablo 2 soundtrack. I know this guy is basically free to use. And if my stream gets muted, it gets muted. We'll handle that. Okay, so if I go into the inventory here, let's see, we're not saving the muzzle yet, so it's just fine. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and save this. I need to pull this out of the player script, but I hope I can be heard. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's well. I can't tilt my mic any more up at me, which is kind of annoying on this arm. I don't want it higher, and I don't want to use my little. I have a little arm that I could like stand for it, but then it's even like more in the way. This is like perfect. So I hope I'm not talking too past it. Okay, so we need to go to the save. For the item, and I always forget. I spend all day working in a different editor and I can't F12 out of it. Okay. When I'm doing that, am I actually adding it to the... We'll figure that out. We'll see what the audio sounds like. That actually does. Oh, yeah, because the barrel doesn't exist in the... Right. I don't know if this thing actually drops a... Actually, what I can... If you do have ammo... 60 by 39 pieces. I forgot that that was a bug. Zombie's gonna come back up here in a second. There we go. Grab that. Save that. Cool. I have a gun now. So what's interesting now is action. So when we open this up, oh, it doesn't in alphabetical order. That's okay. I understand. So now, hey, door indicator, how's it going? So now, if I hear, if I go talk to this, or if I go interact with this thing. Add that. I should have the barrel on here. If I save it, that. Okay, so it didn't save, which isn't necessarily a problem. Just means when I'm attaching that thing, I'm not actually attaching it to the I don't think I'm actually attaching it to the right spot yet. Yeah, I'm setting that there. Okay. I'm loading the image. And I'm setting the offset. So yeah, I'm not actually layer dot. What is that thing called? I want to say it's that, but I'm not 100% certain. I'm doing good, man. Had a pretty good weekend. Now, okay, no, so I need the weapon inventory items, what I'm looking for. Okay. Weapon inventory item dot barrel equals, and for now it's just going to be this guy. Now, if I go over here, add that on there, save it, close out. Click in here. Now the barrel has a barrel attached. Cool. Okay. So now that we figured this out, we just have to do this properly and set up the rest of the components. And unfortunately, I don't think dude, I'd be lying if I said I hadn't fallen asleep on my computer, but no worries, man. I get it. It's super late by you. I'm a night person, but I don't think I'm quite a night. I'm not a stay up till like 2 or 3 in the morning kind of night person. All right, so eventually this weapon mod table is going to have to actually be fully built out, but we got functionality there. So now what we need to do is, what was I doing? Oh yeah. What I don't understand, actually, now that I think about it, is the gun is still appearing. Oh, no. It is, okay, never mind. Okay, so you... Not you. You... Stock swappable, handguard swappable. So the only thing that's not swappable is the grip and the muzzle. Which the muzzle should be swappable on here. So I can do basically everything except the grip using just this gun, so that's fine. I didn't update I didn't say I was going live on Twitter. I have... Nah, I probably won't get anything done anyway. It was a long it was a long day at work. I'm kind of doing this just because I feel the need to be doing it. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks for hanging out for a little bit, man. See you next time. I have so many fake followers on Twitter. I don't kind of disappointing. Actually, you know, it's funny you say that. And as I'm trying to prove my point, I literally can't find it. Because I don't like using my phone because it's too like distracting. Yeah, I literally can't find it, but I have a teeny tiny little notebook that I always carry around with me. So when I have random ideas, I just jot them down in that. And now that I'm saying that, I have no idea where my little notebook is. I got a bunch of big notebooks for when I'm working here. Where did it go? Yeah, apparently it's gone. But yeah, I just have a tiny little notebook I use when I'm out and about. And if the notebook's not here, it means it's at my end table in my bedroom. So I probably like threw it there when I was getting ready for bed one night. Yep, see you, man. All right. As I put this into, this is actually a magazine. Okay, 47 magazine underscore stock. Let's put it there. And then we should do, actually back in Godot. Let's get this set up in Godot before we really do anything. Clear that out. Games. Barrels. AK 47 underscore barrel stock. This. There. Oh, we did this backwards. You are gonna go in here. You're gonna go up there. Then that magazine has an actual size in ergonomics. That was weird. All right. We make the actual. Create new script. If we want it up here. Alright, so that's the script for that. I also realized, what did I call this stuff? Hang on. Where's my... It's right here. There we go. Okay, so it's a handguard. All right. So an ace spray action to open off my desktop. I can do open file. If I go into, first off, let me open up the backup again. It's actually faster for me to go through here. Oh yeah, it's in core items. Attachments. There we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. what we want to do is, okay, so we're going to export this. Go up a folder, folder called handguards. And we're going to do folder sprites. Go there. Save. Call this a 47 underscore handguard underscore stock. And now we're gonna do, jeez. Now we just gotta grab the grip off of this bad boy. Two, 1. Okay, so you. Oh wait, magazine stock, yeah. Export, okay. There we go. Bigger grip. Grips. New folder. Sprites. I think that's what I called them. Girls. Nope, it's pluralized in there. Okay. Sprites. You're gonna be AK47 underscore grip underscore stock. And we don't need you. And then for the last one, we just need the need this guy. I'm realizing actually I might want to, for visibility sake, I might actually not make all the attachments their own folder. I might drag them into their specific guns. AK47 stock underscore stock. So now you. if I change these items, like if I go into the weapons, start changing all this stuff around, I'm gonna break things, and I don't want to deal with that. I think it'll be fine. I don't want that. Okay. Paths. If I clear this guy, and I go into the data. I gotta delete this thing. Okay, next weight on all instance item data. Clearly, I need to just delete this. Okay, why is that happening? .62 by 39. That. Something's still screwy there, which is fine. Position offset. I did something. All right. Oh yeah, because I got rid of, should have got rid of that. Okay. We're gonna do this properly, okay? In the barrels, we're gonna create a new folder. Resources. I thought I did that. Hold on. Barrel GD. Yep. Do that. Alright, this is being weird. Let's just... reload the project. Interesting. Oh. There it is. AK-47 stock barrel. Attachment. Stock barrel for the JK-47. Path. Equipables, consumables, stackable. I probably have to just make an is attachment, but whatever. Well, I guess that's the point of this guy. I don't really know what I'm using these guys for yet. Okay, so this is going to be save as AK-47 underscore barrel stock. Weapon modification menu now. Path. Drop that in there. Path. I don't really need this. Barrel's actually going to be a barrel now. And you know, test. Attachment. Load. Test. Mod resource. Attachment. Then in here I can do that's why. That should clear up. Oh. Yeah, okay. You don't work for obvious reasons. You don't work because I broke that. Gotcha. Test mode or resource, test mod. Player weapon component dot barrel. So if I go to the weapon component dot barrel, barrel is set to barrel. Let's see. It's just not seeing it. Godot's being like extra screwy today. Now it's cool with it. I forgot to. Okay. I can find the offset here in a second. I was gonna make sure this works because its actual position doesn't matter. Okay, maybe it does matter. So we need to open up the weapon component. In here, gun sprite is going to be the JK-47. Okay. And now if I open up the JK-47, it's barrel position is 5-2. Okay, so barrel sprites 5-2. Okay, so we got it in the right spot still. Barrel. The offset is 9-1. The scene. Let's go ahead and rerun this. Let's not. Okay. Oh, I'm never setting it. That's why. I'm gonna do test dot And I think it is. Cool. That's cool. Okay. So that is that. God, we're gonna have to. We're gonna have to pass in some way or some flag so I can just do this all in a method. So I can just send the attachment to one method and just able to attach it. Though, actually, no, I don't need to do that because all I'm really doing is, because I'm not going to be directly modifying the, you know, the weapon component itself. Like, I'm never actually going to be in, so this stuff is all just going to be loaded in. This is being done on the bench where all I'm going to be really doing is pulling a, yeah, I'm just going to be pulling an inventory item out of my inventory and just setting the data in there. So I don't actually have to do all of this stuff. But so for giggles now, we need to reassemble this gun. Muzzle sprite is gonna be. Or no, there's no muzzle on here yet. Cancel. Because the barrel actually is going to have a... Okay, so the barrels will actually have to have a muzzle location. So in the... Yeah, the possessed attachment has the offset. So the barrel just needs to have the location of the muzzle. God, I've been writing C# all day. Okay, so we have can attach muzzle and then the muzzle location. This is if a barrel can have a muzzle attached to it. That's fine. We'll get to that later. Okay, so back to the weapon component. Okay, this guy, get out of here. This, get out of here. I need you. Don't need you right now. Definitely don't need you. Don't need you. Okay. Barrel sprite. Stock, and then we're gonna do add. Create 2D. Can I change? Okay. Project tools change back. Project. Project settings, tools. It's not right. Editor. I want to make this not black so I can actually see what's happening here. Editor settings. Theme. Editors, no. Text editor, editors, 2D editor. All I need. Okay, so project settings, general tab. Rendering. Oh, wait, so there's an actual general tab. Application, display, audio, editor. Oh, general tab, rendering, environment, default clear color. There we go. Way to change this snapping too. Good lord. New configure snap. Yeah, I hate that it snaps by 2s. Can I make it like 0.5? Oh, view, grid, or okay, hold on. Snap. Not what I want. This is something that's been bothering me for ages, and I just haven't. Oh, that doesn't help at all. Oh, but the kicker is I gotta do the offset though. Because the idea here is the gun's going to know the exact lock positions, and then the actual attachments know their offsets. So that way I can be like, this gun always is in, like the JK-47. The hand grip position is always going to be at 4-3. But the offset of the handguard might not necessarily be 5 every time. So what I can do here is I can say -4-3 on the JK-47 or 4-3. And then when I go back into the handguard spray, I can take this offset. I can copy that. do here is we're going to create a new attachment. Or no. We're going to create a new script. It's going to inherit from attachment. What will be called handguard. That guy up. And the one thing I do know I'm going to want is at export var has foregrip. And export var foregrip position. It's going to be a vector 2. Now I can come over here and I can make a handguard. I'm not worried about that right now. The position offset is going to be 50. JK 47 stock handguard. Also an attachment. Handguard for JK 47. And then it's going to be that and that. Annoyingly, oh shoot, I just realized something on my importer. I'm gonna have to add a lot to my importer. Like I'm gonna have to add a script for every single attachment. Oh, this is, yep, I just realized how much work this, there's gonna be so much work added to this now. Ugh. Because there's gonna be some mad organization I gotta do in here, and yeah, this is not gonna be fun. I severely messed up. I didn't severely messed up. Okay, I think I'm gonna go through and make one of every. I'm gonna at least get this stuff done for this gun, and then once this gun is done, I'm gonna have basically all but like a handful of the attachments made. I'm gonna go back and reorganize these files in a way that makes more sense, and then at that point we can have to go update the we're gonna have to go update the spreadsheet. Oh geez. We'll have to update the spreadsheet to have different types of attachments. And then when we update the spreadsheet, we'll also have to go into the importer, and we're going to have to add new files in here. And I could probably updo the attachments into one thing. Yeah, because the attachments are literally just an item. Like, let's see what this importer, I gotta remember what this importer looks like. This is not something I'm gonna concern myself with right now, but oh yeah, it's you. Yeah, I can write it all into one file and at the bottom do a match off the type, and then create an enum that an enum I'm already gonna make anyway, and I can create a match off of that, and then if it is a certain ones, because only a handful of them are gonna have different. Oh wait, hold on, did you? Oh, we got to the end of that. Go back on here. We're gonna shuffle, and we're also gonna repeat so we don't get off of it again. Yeah, but because not like all the attachments are gonna. Yeah, we'll be able to figure it out. It won't be that bad. Let's go back to what we were doing. Because I want to clean this up a bit too, to where like I'm gonna have all the JK-47 barrels in a folder instead of just having 1,000 of them together. Like, I mean, most of the time I'm searching in here anyway, but I want some sense of like I need to sort out these guys too, because I want to have the same thing where resources and sprites are in separate folders. This is a big N11. What the hell is that? Oh. Big N11. Oh, I just didn't name the texture the right thing. Because that's probably pointing at big N11 PNG. Oh, okay, so that gun just straight doesn't work. All right, whatever. We're getting off topic here. So we got the barrel. Let's do the magazine. So you kind of have one already. The handguard always has to be after. All right. So I'm gonna open up my reference over here. magazine. Realizing these do not need to say audio because I can clearly see that it is an audio file. That shouldn't broke anything. Cool. Bullet spawn. Okay, so the magazine. Quick load. You. So your offset is going to be one and 4, 3.5. Okay, so that's actual transform is going to be 1. Nope. -1. Nope. 3. Which means you're actually not in the right spot. Which then the barrel is supposed to be at 6. Values, so the JK-47 barrel position, that, and the muzzle position, or I mean the handguard position. Magazine position. Let's do there. Save. Okay, so we need to make a new magazine. 47 stock magazine. Attachment stock magazine for JK47. Our icon's gonna be this guy. Save as. For items, attachments, magazines, resources. JK47 underscore magazine underscore stock. And to think, those inventory icons, we're going to have to do this whole thing. Granted, all that's going to be is putting... It's just going to be adding sprites in, because then I'm just going to load all those resources, grab the positions and the offsets, and apply them there, and everything will be good. That's that. So now... Oh, wait, no. Sprite 2D again. The grip. Right, 2D. Stock. I'll have to add more too eventually, because there'll be like sites and stuff that get thrown on here, but the grip. Grip. Your offset is 1 3.5. I bet yours is going to be -1 3.5. Wow. And then your transform is 3. Position 3 0. Oh wait, no, that won't help me here. There we go. That's that. And then the stock. We're looking for the stock. That's annoying that it's half pixels. Okay. Stock. Okay, we're gonna have you. -6, -2. Then when we get the stock, Negative 6.5. There we go. And that looks like it had assembled the gun quite nicely. The best part too is we're gonna have to put some sort of flag probably on the inventory item itself that says if it can be like equipped. And then I'll probably have to put some sort of prompt on the I'll have to put some sort of prompt on the little display thing that says what it's missing. I'll probably just say like stock in like red or something like that to say what components are missing or what required components are missing. Okay, so I'm sad. I'm drinking, well, okay, I guess what I'm drinking specifically right now is Waterloo, but normally we get like bubbly. There's this flavor of bubbly that was in stock the other day that I'm super excited for, and I can't wait to try it. But I still have like a week's worth of this Waterloo, and this Waterloo's good. Like, don't get me wrong, I really like the Waterloo, but like I haven't had this other flavor yet, so I'm like really excited to try it. All right, so grips. So we need a grip. Yeah, we need a grip class. So script. It's going to inherit from attachment. Grip. Right. Then now in here we need to create a new folder. Resources. Grip. Oh, I gotta. Grip doesn't exist yet. All we're gonna do for that for now, just so we can actually create one of these bad boys. There we go. Seven stock grip. I have no idea if I think the JKI I'm gonna have like literally everything be changeable on it, just because it's kind of nature. I don't know if you can actually take like the hand grip off, but we can now. Attachment stock grip for JK47. Icon is this guy. Save as. JK47 _ grip _ stock. And then now we go to the weapon component, the grip, the offset value, go here, paste that in there, save it, and then we're also going to grab the grip's actual position, and we're going to go into the 37, this guy, and in the grip, paste in there. The grip is swappable. I'm gonna say everything's swappable on this guy. The stock is not required. The handguard is required. Grip is required. The barrel is required. The magazine is required. The muzzle is not required. The scope is not required. That's the grip has that, and then now the stock. While we're in here, we're gonna grab its position. Stock is required. Or no, we decided the stock. Duh, you can shoot without the stock. Paste that in there. Save this again, and then we're going to the stock again. We're going to run this offset value, and then in the stock, not that. Haven't done it yet. Okay, that's fine. Grips are good, handguards are good, magazines are good, stocks. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Did not do handguards yet? I did do handguard. Okay. Stocks. What we're gonna need is a new folder for the resources. And then we're gonna need to create a new script that's gonna inherit from attachment. Stock. Sounds good. Open that guy up. Class name, stock. Now I can create a new stock. Paste that in there. JK47 stock. Stock K.47. I don't like that I'm calling it the stock, but we'll cross that bridge later. Copy that. Put you in there. Save as. There. So that's all of the bits I need. A lot of bits. That's all the bits that I need. And we'll worry about auxiliary stuff later. Which is going to be like the attachments that can attach to attachments. Like, I don't have scope, or like a scope isn't really, or a scope I didn't really consider an auxiliary. That one would be a base attachment, but I'm talking like the foregrips or like a flashlight, like an under-mounted flashlight on the barrel or a laser light, you know, stuff like that. Like those things I'll worry about later. This is just the base, like building a gun. So now, if I go back to the weapon component script, there's a lot that's gonna have to go in here now. In fact, scripts. So close all other tabs for now. Oops. We can add all of this stuff to the don't think I have a muzzle yet. Yeah, muzzle doesn't exist. Okay, so we can comment that guy out for now. Muscle position, you don't need that yet. And fire equals true. I don't. Okay, so basically the muzzle, the scope, the foregrip, and the light, you guys can comment it out for now, just so the engine's not throwing errors at me, or not errors, but like warnings at me for unused variables. All scenes. I really wish Godot would, like... I need to figure out how to... It just throws errors at me sometimes, and I don't know why. So on ready, it's not doing anything yet. That's gotta go down. I don't even know if I necessarily need to give it a reference to an actual thing. But I'm going to. I also wish I could fix up a lot of these, easily fix up a lot of these private variables. I probably could, to be honest. I think I'm not really worried about fixing old stuff because it would just be annoying to do, but I'm definitely enforcing it now. Okay. The equipping process is going to be so much more complicated. Like, yeah, the entirety of this equipping a gun is going to be changing a ton. Because I'm going to have to load all of... I'm going to have to go through all the attachments and make sure, you know, if they're all... This is causing issues when equipping an item directly from a loot box. Temporary fix in inventory in place, but probably should be fixed. Yeah, that sounds like a bug that I'm going to worry about another day. Definitely need to document some of this code. Okay, so basically, what is happening? I don't know. My wife's sending me texts that make no sense, and I'm gonna have to read them later. Okay, so the bezel sprite, the barrel sprite, and guard. Oh, I don't actually have these here yet. Okay. Works. Category. Rights. That's not what I want. Okay. Group then. Support group audio. There we go. Now these are broken up, and I don't have to have the sprites open all the time and clean this up a bit. So we got the weapon sprite, we got the muzzle sprite, we got the barrel sprite. I don't know what to call these for the time being, so we're just gonna do that. Actually, I probably don't need to leave a class. I can just do that. Vanguard, magazine, grip. want to know what the node 2D like actual object looks like. I don't know. Let's close this out. I don't need this. This either. Save that. So now we got all our sprites in place. Okay. All right. Yeah, I wish this wasn't. I wish these were hidden outside of. I'm sure I can figure that out at some point because I don't like that they're publicly available here, but I want them like available in the weapon component. Oh, jeez. Okay. But that's a story for later. Okay, so now. That's right. Grip sprite. Grip position. Stock sprite position. Weapon dot stock position. All right, so that's gonna put everything into place. Oh, I gotta do the offsets too. So sprite dot offset. Oh no, that's gonna be what I have to do in here. If weapon dot muzzle. Underscore weapon is. What the actual? What is my underscore weapon? Underscore. Oh, that must be what it's passed in. Okay, so that's the inventory item. I have to say var muzzle, which doesn't exist, so we're just not even going to mess with this bit of code yet. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go make some more tea. I am empty. Oh, we're back. I got my tea. I'll let this steep for a minute, but I actually want to see if... Do I have anything? Barrel, nothing. Nothing. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the barrel. If weapon dot barrel var barrel equals load weapon dot barrel as barrel. Then we can say the barrel sprite dot offset is going to equal to barrel dot position offset. And then I can also say barrel sprite dot texture equals load load barrel dot icon. I don't know if I... All right, let's... Do I have a barrel attached to this thing? I don't have a barrel attached to this thing. No worries, I can grab one out of here. Grab that guy. Back in here. That guy is... let's re-open this up. Okay. Oh no, these are okay. Okay, yeah, so I can take this, pop you right there. That's the equipped one. In theory, I should be able the barrel should just be attached now. Does not help when I still have all of this stuff set. So let's get rid of that. Muzzle didn't have anything. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. You and get rid of you. And these guys being all over the place really doesn't matter. Cool. And then if I equip the other one, it doesn't have it. And then if I go back and equip this guy again, it has it. Okay. Oh, so that's working. Ooh, hot and not quite ready yet. So now, basically, I need to... I need to do that again for all of the different sprites, but I now need to change the inventory item. Inventory item weapon. There we are. I basically got to do base data. Go. Handguard. Handguard. I want to copy this every single time. Handguard's gonna be a magazine. Magazine. Grip. Grip. Stock. Stock. And now we're gonna flip the script down here. Right back. Heard cats fighting. All right, so where were we? Barrel, barrel. Handguard is going to be equal to handguard. After the handguard is the magazine. The magazine. And then the grip. Okay, so that should save all that out. So then what I need to do then is to... Okay, so we gotta blow away my save data. I don't know why I keep trying to save that. So we're gonna load this back in. Give me a gun. Give me a gun. There we go. Move. Boop. And then we're going to save that off. So now what I should be able to do is open up that inventory data. Which one of these is equipped? The second one is equipped. Okay. So the first one is going to be the barrel. Oh, but I gotta go through and do everything in the weapon component. Okay. Weapon dot handguard. Really? You're not gonna see. Really? Come on, Godot. This is so frustrating. If weapon dot handguard, Jesus. Oh, actually, one thing I want to do is set oh, what am I doing? I don't even have to do that. I can just do barrel equals that. Yeah, all those variables are being set anyway. Handguard equals load. Then dots. Handguard as handguard. Our sprite dot offset equals barrel dot position offset, and then barrel, or no, handguard sprite dot texture equals load handguard dot icon. Okay. Let's see how much of a pain in the ass just doing a little copy paste is going to be here. Dot magazine. 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 Okay, so now we're going to do grip. And stock. Okay, so that is that. So in a perfect world now, I should be able to that's not what I wanted. Put up this guy. Barrel. Right there. Rip. Handguard. I've not made. Okay. Magazine. The stock. I save all that off. This entire weapon should be constructed now. I stand corrected. What did I miss here? Oh, stock Sprite. And look at that. It's constructed. The magazine's a little scuffed. It's okay. That's perfectly okay because we can go back over here. We can reset this data. Or reset these sprites because all the positions should still be fine. Handguard. Rip. The stock. Okay. So the magazine was all scuffed on either its position or its offset. So if we open up the JK-47, hit that, open up the gun itself, the magazine, right spots. Okay, so then the magazine offset did not get set in the, which it did not. Place that there. We'll save this guy off. Nope. Save this guy off. And then apparently we did not. Yeah, we never did the handguard. New folder. And these are going to be resources. Resources. Okay, so we just never made a handguard. Gotcha. The handguard, that offset. That there. 847 stock handguard. Attachment. Stock handguard for JK47. The icon is this guy. Pop that there. Okay, cool. Save as. This needs to go into the hand. There are the attachments, handguards, resources. JK47 underscore handguard underscore stock. Save that off. Now we should be able to copy that. All of that. Save the scene. Now in here we should be able to drop that handguard into the handguard slot. It's really long. Magazines. Oh wait, no. Handguard. There you are. That in there. Save that off. Now we should have a completely built. That's not quite right. Okay. Body. Guard. You're right, so handguard. I wonder if I didn't get the position. Handguard position. Case. Save. Okay, so the handguard position is correct. Zero on the offset. Correct. Okay, so then the only thing that means is something's not getting set correctly. Right there. There we go. We have a completely assembled. Holy Jesus. Oh, tea's probably cooled off and probably strong now. Blueberry acai. All right. So on that note, I think we've reached a good place to stop. I actually have to. I got a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I got to take my pre-med, and that usually makes me really tired because I got infusions that I got to do. So I got to get that going. I think we made some good progress today. The guns are being completely assembled programmatically, which is great. So now we just have to extract stats from them, reorganize the file system, which is that can be actually the reorg of the file system can actually be fixed by the importer being fixed. So yeah, on that note, oh yeah, he's still streaming back there. Actually, wait, you know what? I think I can keep going. Actually, no, I can't. A good stream though. Everyone who's here, thanks for hanging out. If you haven't, make sure you follow. But I'm gonna hit up the Discord. Really trying to get a community going in there. There's only like a handful of people in Discord right now. It's not super active. But I'm really gonna try to push the Discord now. Hit me up on social media. All the links are down below, and I will be back at it again tomorrow. So have a good night, and yeah, see you then.